Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the Q app to see if it's actually legit or just another digital mood ring. Q app pitches itself as a personalized discovery platform that connects you with brands, places, and people matching your unique energy. It uses something called the Earth astrology system to guide your daily choices and help you avoid negative vibes. Because apparently, we needed the dirt beneath our feet to tell us why we're having a bad day. But is this platform actually worth your time? Or is it just cosmic fluff? Stick around as we look at the signs that prove whether Q app is truly worth your trust. The first positive sign is the glowing user feedback on platforms like the Play Store. Users are absolutely obsessed, claiming the app helps them improve their lives through numerology and astrology. Many call it insightful and even life-changing, which is quite a high bar for an app that basically stores your birthday so you don't forget you're getting older. The numbers back this up too. Q boasts a 4.6-star rating on the Play Store from over 50,000 downloads and an even higher 4.8 on the App Store. It seems real people are genuinely satisfied, or at least their stars are perfectly aligned with their touchscreens. Beyond the ratings, Q maintains a very active social media presence on Facebook and Instagram, building a community around positive energy and self-discovery. It's refreshing to see this much transparency instead of the usual shadowy developers hiding in a digital basement. The team has also done a great job explaining their Earth astrology system, providing clear details on how it's supposed to help you align your life. They've even shared their full contact details, including an email, a physical address, and a phone number. That's a bold level of accountability for people who believe in avoiding negative energy. One angry customer service call could really ruin their zen. So is Q app legit? Based on the high ratings, transparency, and the fact that they actually provide a way to reach them, it definitely looks like a trustworthy platform. If you're into numerology or just want an app to validate your daily vibes, Q stands out as a reliable choice for your spiritual journey. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates before your energy shifts again.